Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can start speaking English language fluently and effortlessly. My friend, first of all, before I start sharing with you my idea, I want to ask you one question. What is called fluency? In my opinion, or people they have said it, fluency means if something flow without break, just like river water, right? That is called fluency. It flows without break. So the day we start speaking this language without taking pause, without making a lot of mistakes, or even without fumbling or without thinking so much, then we'll be also able to speak this language fluently. That will be the real fluency. But my friend, it won't happen over the night. You won't be able to do it the day you start learning this language. As a beginner, it takes months and months to get fluency, and even years also. It totally depends on consistency and your effort. I want to give you ground level examples so that you can understand it better and implement something so that you can speak this language fluently. Look at behind me, my friend. There is water logging. As you can see here, little bit water has accumulated because yesterday and today also it rained in my area. Not very heavily, but little bit, I would say, and that is good. That is making environment cool, and I would say very good environment is there. So it's not about environment, but where I was talking about the water. So how that water accumulated? A lot of water has accumulated, not a lot of, but little bit. It happened because with consistency rain was falling. There is one word I want to share with you, that is intermittently. Intermittently means ruk ruk kar. So if it had rained intermittently, that much of water hadn't accumulated this place. In Hindi we say that अगर रुक रुक कर बारिश हुआ होता तो इतना ज़्यादा पानी इकट्ठा नहीं हुआ होता. Okay, so yeah, in your case also, if you don't practice with consistency, you won't be able to see flow in your speaking. How river water flow, because water comes, I don't know from where, from Himalaya, from hills. Water comes into the river and that water comes with consistency. That is why flow is there. That is why river is maintaining the flow. In our case also, if we want to speak this language fluently and effortlessly, we need to maintain consistency. Or else, my friend, we will struggle to speak. Our mind will go blank and we'll make a lot of mistakes. So many things can happen. Sometimes it happens because we start feeling demotivated, or due to, I think, low confidence also it happens. So many aspects are there to speak this language good way, to speak this language fluently, and reverse way I can say so many aspects are there that holds you back and that doesn't let you speak. So you have to eliminate from your practice. Just like you have to practice with consistency. Don't break your practice even for a single day, or don't break that chain. Even for few minutes, if you speak, then you will be able to see the flow in your speaking. Second thing, if you are working on your grammar, over there also consistency should be there, right? Then you won't make a lot of mistakes. And other thing, sometimes people they make a lot of mistakes because they feel underconfident, and it happens once they break the consistency, or they practice for few days and then they vanish, and then they come back, and then what's their problem? Their problem is a lot of fear accumulate in their mind, that how can I speak this language. Once again, they have to start, but they won't be beginner. They may have a lot of knowledge and all, but it takes time. And in that one, you are wasting your time. That is why, my friend, maintain your consistency. Okay? See, as I told you, if you run, fall intermittently, then ground will dry up very easily. You won't be able to see water on the ground. But if rain fall with consistency, then you will be able to see water on the ground, a lot of water logging, and that water will go in flow or it will accumulate at one place. Okay, so it happens. I wanted to give this example. I thought it can stick with you, and it is the real example of rainfall and water flow. What does it mean, fluency? Fluency means flow, right? So this rainfall or this accumulating water or river can be great example to think deeply and then keep practicing every single day to bring the flow in our speaking. And it is not about only English language, it's about anything. If you want to bring changes in any areas of your life, you need to be consistent, or else you won't be able to see the changes, just like building up muscle. If you want to build up your muscle, you need to go gym every single day. You should exercise, you should do so many things, then you will be able to see muscle, right? Same way, if you want to crack any exam, you need to practice every single day. You should solve mathematics, whatever problem you should solve, and then you will get habitual of that things, and it will be very easy for you. Another thing is speaking this language. If you practice with consistency, you will be able to speak this language with fluency. My friend, don't do this kind of mistake that one day practicing, next day involving in other activity. You won't be able to get fluency fast way. I don't want you to waste your time. I want you to get fluency fast way and speak this language in flow. My friend, today's weather is so good in my area because yesterday it rained very heavily, and that is why weather is so pleasant. If you complete or accomplish 2 tasks at a time, you can say, I am killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Here I can use this phrase that, or I can use this idiom that I am killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Being in my garden, I am recording my video, plus I am enjoying the weather. This is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.